It is a full-size violin. It has a grafted frill. It also has a repair label saying that it was repaired somewhere in Italy. I really can't understand the label, but it will be viewed in the auction as well. And let's just give this thing a sound sample here and see what we can pull from it. It's very powerful in that G string. The circle of fifths on this thing really stands out.